kind of scary, man. This is like fucking suburbia. Look at these houses, man. They're all cookie cutter. All look exactly the same. Man, that kind of shit's scary as hell to me, dude. This is terrifying to me.
I don't
Hey,
know.
turn the camera to the right there for him, shit pickle. Show him that right there. Look, there's
Hold
pigs.
on, it did something.
That's what money said.
Why? What? What's it doing that for?
Oh, hell no.
No. All right, you're back on. Normal.
Man, just look at this, dude. Every house looks exactly the same. You know, you got a homeowners association that tells you how tall your grass can be. Man, how is this living life, dude? Man, you want to piss your neighbors off, you know? I mean, that's your God-given American right. You know, fucking grow the lawn too big and fucking piss people off. Fuck, wow, this place is scary, man. Super scary. FTF, O3O.
Suburbia. No, thank you.